Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use advanced feature in Reddit. So to use the advanced feature in Reddit, make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. If not, you could simply go ahead and update it from your respective app store. Now, advanced search, so to use the advanced feature in Reddit, you could focus on advanced search operators, Markdown formatting, and if applicable, moderator tools. This feature enhances content creations, community engagement, and informational retrieval as well. So what you want to do is use specific keyword in a search bar to refine your result. You can also combine these operations for highly specific queries. So what you need is just go to the home page of the Reddit, tap the search at the top, and then you could go ahead and type in the author or the username. Then you could filter content such as post or comment by specific user. And for the subreddit as well, you could also type in the subreddit name. Limit the results to a particular subreddit as well. So these are some of the advanced features available in Reddit, like the search feature. Next is a markdown formatting. This means Reddit uses a markdown for text formatting in the post and comment. You can switch from the rich text editor to markdown in your user settings as well. So you could go ahead and look for these in the avatar section, or you could just click on the create button, and here you could go ahead and find that particular features available. And next is a moderator tool. So if you are a moderator or community, if you moderate a community, you have access to enhanced features such as auto moderator, post flare, analytics, and rules check tools as well. So basically these are the features available, so you could go and explore other options as well. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.